Hello, so this is the overview of WordPress admin dashboard. So I'm just going to enter my URL here. I will enter into my URL so it will take me to my admin login page. So don't forget, it's the URL of your website /admin. So it will take you to admin login page. So this is my admin login. And I'm going to hit the login. So it will take me straight to my admin dashboard. Just wait for it to load. Alright, so this is my admin dashboard. This is where you will be building your website, as you can see. So I'm just trying to navigate you through in case you are new to WordPress. So this is where you are going to be building your website. All right, so this is your admin account. You can log in from there. All right, this is your left hand bar. Is where you'll be installing your plugins and managing your WordPress website and everything that you want to do on this admin dashboard. This is where you're going to be doing everything. All right, so we have pages. All right, we have Niger form plugins. All right, now we have here you can just go to your website, click on visit website. Now once I click on visit website, it's going to take us from our admin page to our main website. So this is your website. This is our website that everybody have access to. Okay, all right, so only the admin have access to the back end. That's why you have to log in before you can access it. So the admin comes with a .admin. All right, that's what will take you to your admin. The URL will come with .admin. So this is just the website. This is the website. And everything you are seeing here was built from the back end, which is the WordPress where we just came from. Okay, so these are websites. It's called OpenSea. This website is about cryptocurrency website. So you can actually use WordPress to build any kind of website that you want to build at all. You can see the quality of this site and the way everything are arranged. It's like a site that was well planned and built by programmer, but this is just a CMS, your content management system, which is WordPress, which is the biggest. Now, if I click on view admin dashboard, it's going to take me back to the admin dashboard. Right now, people that are entering your website doesn't have that.